We are back in town. Amanda and I are headed to the movie theater right now. It's a rainy day, so we're going to catch a movie. Amanda does not want to be on camera, ever, apparently, so you may never meet her. We only have one movie theater, and this is it. In high school, we used to come here and hang out all the time. One of the grocery stores here, but it's not just a grocery store. They have food, they have clothes, shoes, house stuff, everything. I love Fred Meyer's. Evening. I am about ready to go meet with one of my friends, Jessica. We're going to go have dinner. Jessica is actually a vlogger too, and she's going to be helping me with some editing and some tips and tricks, and we're just friends, so I'm really excited to see her. I've known Jessica for a long time now. The connection's kind of odd, so pay attention. Jessica is married to Lance. Lance is Jesse's best friend. Jesse is married to my best friend, Amanda. Did you guys get that? Amanda to Jesse, to Lance, to Jessica, to me. Easy, right? We are going to go to the cookie jar, just have some girl time. She's going to help me with some editing and some other things, and I'm really looking forward to seeing her. So, that is what is on the plan for this evening. So I'm just waiting for her, and we are going to dinner. All right, I hope everyone is living their best life. Yeah, bye. She's buzzed. I know. Oh, thanks. Is there anything else I can do? Everyone needs to check out Jessica's vlog. It's Violet Vlogs. She's on YouTube and Instagram. Again, you can find her at Violet Vlogs.